Hi traders, this is a demo account. I'm going to show you how you can manually trade support and resistance using the SignalTrader Forex trading system. As I said, this is a demo account. The two trades that are there, they are robot trades. You can actually just let the robot trade, but it'll only take 2-3 trades a week because it looks for particular setup. Now, so basically the red lines are supports and the green ones are resistances. So flip through the charts. So we've got this is GBP Chief. We've actually got a robot trade sitting on it that's been in for 3 days. It entered here on that candle there. So I'm going to show you how you can trade support and resistance very easily. So we've got the 50 period moving average, the signal line up there, and this is a daily chart. Now if I wanted to trade a breakout of this bullish move, which is quite long, I can just click here and you see that a button appears on my chart and says 150 pips profit. So that's the distance between that support and that support. If I click the button, it'll place the trade. Okay, now what actually happens is it sends the trade off to my servers for processing, and then I go and move to the next one. So I can flip through the charts, find any trades I like. There's nothing there I already want to have because it's not going anywhere. So for instance here, look at this huge move there. Alright, that's still got a bit further to go, just 12 pips to target. But you can see there's quite a lot of resistance. In fact, there is resistance there. There's quite a lot of resistance up there. You've got the same situation here. You've got lots of resistance down here. So I'm going to stand aside that pair. That's GBP using going to stand aside. Could be worth a short, but the problem is it's above the signal line. So I'd always 50 period moving average, which is the signal line. So I will not take a short. Let's check this one out. So we're looking at GBP USD. Click on it. 53 pips. I don't think so. Not a trade I'd like to take. So let's flip to the next one. Can't see anything there I want. So you see how easy it is. I've just flipped through the charts, looking for some large scale support resistance. In the next 6 months, probably going to have this written into the robot to do. So here's an interesting thing. Look at the it's broken through all this resistance, and now that's become support. So basically it's this is dollar CAD. It's kind of bounced down because of FOMC. I think the dollar's probably just going to retrace to where it was going originally. You can see the same thing here. Dollar Chief, same sort of thing. The dollar's through the roof in terms of strength. It's going to take quite a lot to turn it round, although I was thinking it had turned around today, but we shall see. So just skip through that. So let's have another look. I know you want to see it work, but I want to find some good trades. Here's one. Look at this. You see this below here? I could stick a trade down there, 51 pips. Put entry on. I wouldn't actually normally take a trade of 51 pips. I wouldn't bother. It's not enough. I only go for juicy trades, so I need lots and lots of space. Again, how much is that? 83. Yep, that's worth taking. You can see how easy it is. I'm just taking the trades. The trades are just going to go on. It takes a minute or two to process because the trades have to go to an external server. So let's just move that over there. Okay, that's how I can control it now. So the trades have to go to an external server, and there we go. So we can scroll back through. So you can see there's a lot of support and resistance there, but I'm very picky about the trades that I'm going to take. It's an interesting one. Look at this. Aussie dollar. So you can see it's actually taken a short on this pair just below this resistance. It broke through that resistance and bounced back up again. Again, it's just FOMC, folks, and I think that it's probably going to continue bearish tomorrow. Probably not today. Okay, so again, looking for those big gaps. Look at the size of that. Look at this candle. One candle, dollar yen. I think this is dollar yen. Today, one candle broke resistance here. I just went straight up, smashed through in one day. Rallied up. Okay, now I do expect things to come back against me during the night. So, so let's say I want to take this trade, 126 pips profit. Where's price? Down there. So I'm not going to take it. It wouldn't put it on anyway because we're in the middle of that support and resistance. So I don't take trades within support and resistance. So let's see, that one I've already got in. So You can see that's 150 pips on GBP Chief Short. We went through that earlier. Not a lot around tonight, actually, I've got to say. Oh, how much was this? 98 pips, I think so. GBP Aussie Short. Okay, it's long at the moment, but if it breaks back below there, we could get down to here. But it's got to fight through. The market's got to prove to me it wants to take this trade. Okay, so let's have a look at how we're doing. You can see all the entry orders are lining up, because that's what it does. We just place entry orders. We've got 90 pips odd there, I think, in profit from the robot trades. Let's have a look. 82.70. Yeah, my adding up straight. Look. So that's how you do it. So basically, you can just look for trades. Oh, look at this beauty! Look, if it breaks up through here above the signal line, we could take a long for 81 pip profit. Job done. It really is that simple. So basically, you could just click. You find support and resistance, or some resistance, support, a gap you like, and you just click on it and take the trade. So here, look at this again. If this breaks up above this support, there's a huge gap. So we'll have that 106 pip gap. Click the button, trade gets placed. It does all the working out for you, and actually the robot will manage all the support and resistance. So you could do this once a day. Now what happens in 24 hours from now, those trades will expire if they haven't happened, so I can go through my charts again and set up new trades, because things move around in the market, and these are all dynamic support and resistance. You can see the entry orders gone on. So we can just wait now, and I can go and do something else, like watch a film. So I want to be a forextrader.com, strobot.co.uk. If you want to buy the software, it comes with the robot, which trades automatically, or you can trade manually using the trade button, just like this. Just by doing some simple, just by looking at charts. Look at the support and resistance levels. So look at this one here, you see. I look at the 50 period moving average. If it gets up here, it's above it. If it breaks through all that congestion, we're going to be looking for 113 pip profit. Yes, please. I'm not even looking at what trade currency pair this is. What is it? Euro CAD. Not even looking at it. Okay, so I'll just place the trade. It really is that simple. Oh, there's another one like that. What's that? Okay, so again, got to break up through. Definitely want it to get through all that resistance there before I take the trade for 142 pips there. Okay, now I can leave it. It's an entry order. Okay, if it happens, it does. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't. I don't care. Okay, and that's really how the system works. You just click on the chart. It tells you how much space there is, and you click the button and you trade. There's another one there. See, look, 60 pips. Yes, please. I think so. I'll have that. Very, very easy way to manually trade. If you're a manual trader and you like manual trading, it's an easy way to do support and resistance trading. You know, the more supports and resistance there are next to each other, I won't trade in between them. We always trade down here, or we trade here. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Strobot.co.uk. I want to be a forextrader.com. Hope you enjoy it.